Hi everybody, I just want to introduce you to John Franco is one of our mechanics here, and he's just bought this LI Series 2 1960, and he's actually going to be lending it to myself for a trip that I'm going to do around Ireland on this bike when it's converted to electric. Now, I'm going to be borrowing the bike from John. John wants to actually do this bike up with its original engine and run it as an original two-stroke. And while he has the engine out to be reconditioned, I shall be putting in one of our electric kits, doing my trip on it, coming back, handing it back over to John, who will continue to put his old engine back in it and run it as a two-stroke. This is to emphasize the fact that what we do with our kits is a totally reversible project.